Once upon a time, in the heart of the forest, there lived a clever fox, known for its wit and cunning. One sunny day, the fox spotted a bunch of ripe grapes hanging from a vine. The fox's mouth watered at the sight, and it decided to have them for breakfast. But alas, the grapes were hanging too high for the fox to reach. Determined not to give up, the fox thought of a clever plan. It took a few steps back, and then sprinted towards the vine with all its might. With a swift leap, the fox managed to grab hold of the vine with its teeth. And as it swung back and forth, the grapes began to shake loose and fall to the ground. The clever fox collected the grapes and enjoyed a delicious feast. And from that day on, the fox learned that sometimes patience and perseverance lead to the sweetest rewards. So, the moral of the story is, patience pays off.